Give me a thumbs up, me and more. He's speaking Spanish, baby. What is you doing, baby? Oh, Lord, baby. What is you doing, baby? Oh, Lord, baby. You crazy, baby. I don't know what he reaching down for, though, man. That hand below the balcony. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Bruh. He hit. Oh, shit, son. Oh, shit, son. Oh, my God. Damn, that shit happened real quick. He hit. Oh, my God, bruh. Oh, my God, bruh. Yo. Bruh. Oh, my God, bro. Yo. Bro. Bruh, shit just got real. Shit just got real. Dude pulled out the strap. He said he hit. I don't think... Oh, man. Oh, my God, bro. Yo. And this is what police officers got to deal with. You know what I mean? Like, they have to think within a split second. You know what I mean? Dude had the strap right there on the balcony, man. Like, damn, bro.